Here's our last article from the second unit. We read about the Trojan horse, then we read about earthquakes, and now we have an article called Oil Drilling and Earthquakes. And it's important to know that it's two articles, and they both admit, or they both suggest, that drilling for oil can cause earthquakes. But the two different articles have a slightly different opinion about whether or not it is important that oil drilling can cause earthquakes. And I am going to ask you to practice synthesizing information. We talked about synthesizing before. That's where we understand information from many different sources, and then we come up with one idea or one opinion of our own based on what we've learned from other sources. So I'll just get started, okay? This article, the title is called Oil Drilling and Earthquakes. Drilling causes earthquakes. Scientists have shown that drilling for oil can cause earthquakes. Since drilling for oil can cause earthquakes, it may be dangerous to allow more drilling in the United States. Earthquakes happen a lot in the United States. Almost every year, there are earthquakes large enough for people to feel. In some places, there are very small earthquakes every few days. Earthquakes can kill people and damage buildings. In 1989, an earthquake in San Francisco killed 63 people and left thousands more homeless, yet offshore drilling continues in California. It's just too dangerous. So that was the first opinion, that it is too dangerous to drill for oil because of the earthquakes that it causes. And here is the second article. It says, minor earthquakes, no reason to stop drilling for oil. And the article says, scientists have shown that drilling for oil may cause some earthquakes. This has happened in a few oil fields around the United States. However, these earthquakes are very small. There is almost no danger to people or buildings. Therefore, there is no reason to stop oil drilling in the United States. In some parts of the United States, there are earthquakes every few days. Most earthquakes are very small. Sometimes, though, there is an earthquake that people can feel. Studies have shown that these earthquakes are not caused by oil drilling. Even if people feel the earthquake, earthquakes almost never cause damage. In 2011, an earthquake damaged some buildings in the Northeast. Since then, however, there has been no serious earthquake damage anywhere. Drilling is safe. Okay, so then what I'd like you to do is think about those two different pages, those two different articles. Can you write about the earthquake that hit San Francisco? So that was on the previous page. What happened? When did it happen? Where? Then write about the earthquake that hit the Northeast. So that's this information. Which facts in the articles are the same? Both authors agree about some facts. So, for example, I'll give you the first answer. Both articles say scientists have shown that drilling for oil may cause some earthquakes. So you could write that here, but there's more. It says facts. And then we have to explain, how are the two authors' viewpoints different? So the first author had a different point of view than the second author about earthquakes and drilling for oil. And then this is your own personal idea here. How would you synthesize the ideas to form your own viewpoint? In other words, what is your opinion? Should we continue to drill for oil? Are the risks too serious? Or do we need oil too much to stop drilling? You can write that right down here.